Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Scraplist Sunday where Laura and I are going to do different types of layouts for one Scraplift. And so this one is for her this week and it is Miss Kramer. I'm not sure how she says her first name. I always say it wrong, but I will link it down below in the comments to let you know what it is. So the one thing that is hard for me to do for her particular scrap lifts is that she does it in, I think, an 8.5 by 11 or like 9 by 12 sizes, but she always adds like aesthetic to the side and it messes me up. So you will see here where, oh my Lantis, I go through like a major change and then I go through it all. I don't like it and I had to stop and like kind of go back. But before I get to that, make sure that you go check out Laura's layout as well. I saw what hers looks like. It's super, super cute. So make sure you go check out hers. Make sure you check out the link down below to the one to Miss Kramer, which is the one we're scrap lifting. I absolutely do love what her layout looks like. I just, like, aesthetically, her photos, I always have a hard time with it. But I do love the simplicity that she did for this fall type layout that she used back in December. Now, here I am. There is a bunch of stitching in the layout that Laura picked. So, because it's the way of the world, my school got shut down yet again, and we've been learning from home, and it's just been a whirlwind, and then Kaylin's school got shut down again, and so it's been a lot, y'all. Been a lot. I mean, I'm still in good spirits, obviously. Kaylin and I haven't gotten it or any of that sort. Josh hasn't. He's been teleworking since he got here, since he got back from Kuwait. So it's not like we're getting hit, but it's just been a lot because, you know, parents are more than ever just, you know, whatever you want to call it. I don't even know how to explain it. And then this time around, my good counterpart teacher, JP, her and I actually tag team this time around because it's just been, this year has been a lot for us as teachers, y'all. So anyway, I have been late getting this up. I had to do the layout today and the voiceover today because it's supposed to be up on my channel, and it's, you know, Laura and I are fantastic about that. If we're late, and neither of us care and whatnot. So here, this is what I was telling you. I went through some major changes. I still hate it. I'm looking at it. You can tell I'm on my elbow. I'm like, nope, done. So I turned it off, stepped away for a hot minute, and then came back and realized this is what I'm going to do. I'm not even going to put any embellishments on or any background papers to this, and I'm going to leave it blank. Just like she did. Completely, there is no layering behind my photos today. None. And I'm completely okay with that. So I cut this one embellishment in half and put one side of it on the bottom layout or bottom photo, and then put the other part on the top one and call that part a day. And so since there's this hand stitching that she did in her layout, I am actually taking one of my little dotted lines that I got from one of my stamp sets out of Close to My Heart, and I am dotting it like I am hand stitching it, but I'm not. So you're going to see how that all works. I am just, now it's all about embellishments, completely about embellishments. Sorry about my phone. I thought I had it on. You know, every time that I think, here's my rant, I guess. Every time I think that my cell phone is good to go, Y'all won't hear anything. I can get through a voiceover. You won't hear my family in the background. And it's always one or the other, right? It's either my family going nuts, my dog going nuts, or my phone going off. One of the two, always. But here I am. So what I'm doing is that I'm achieving these dotted lines, and I'm adding these little like pieces of ephemera, whether it's a sticker or, you know, whatever, throughout to make it look like I am hand stitching to each little piece. But I really love how this turns out. It's very different for me. Very, very, very different. And it's very, like, not all over the place, but very simple for me, because normally that's not how I roll. But I love how it turned out. I think me adding these little pieces and just finding little things to make it pop works wonders for me. I just love how it looks. So here I am. I am going to put down this cell phone. And so the photos are while we went on one of our trips during like the quarantine, after we were able to like travel more than 100 miles outside of our time frame. This was like back, like way back when we first got, you know, shut down, right? So we weren't able to travel, and these were still some of those photos. So I'm kind of going backwards. I'm trying to finish up some of the stuff that's still in 2020 for my daughter and for my dog and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm not that far behind on photos. It's just a point that I want to get caught up so that I can get back to my Europe trips, because I don't have that many left to do for Europe. And so I'm trying to get back to where I'm semi-caught up and be in 2021 while we're in 2022 is my goal. I got so far behind. Grad school is what's holding me back, and, you know, and it's not holding me back because I need it. Like, I mean, I need my degree so that I can keep teaching and stuff. But ultimately, at the end, it's like I've got to do what I need to do for my, you know, my Zens time. And this is my Zens. I'm constantly scrapbooking at least 15 to 20 minutes nightly. And I just have to. I didn't even splatter, y'all. I didn't splatter. I didn't splatter, y'all. You guys are all thinking I'm crazy, but I did do my lines. So here I am. I'm going in with my lines. Make sure that you go like and subscribe to over to Laura. I am also super close to 3,000 subscribers, and I would love to have you. I am super close. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Make sure you guys are all staying safe. The still shots are coming up, and y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.